Welcome to the final part of the Christmas special of cartoon and anime reviews. In this last part, I've decided to review an episode of The Simpsons, and it'll be the first time I ever review a Simpsons episode. Today we're going to take a look at Simpsons roasting on an open fire.
Yes! Yes!
Aired on December 17, 1989, when I was 5 years old. The episode begins with Homer and Marge on their way to the Springfield Elementary School's Christmas pageant, where the kids are dressed up as various Santas from around the world. My favorite is the Japanese Santa, and if you want to know who that kid is, it's Ralph Wiggum before he became stupid.
Jingle bells, Batman smells, Robin laid an egg. The Batmobile broke its wheel, the Joker got a
I'm sure us kids back then during our years in elementary school used to sing that song, which made us laugh. At the Simpsons residence, Bart and Lisa are writing their letters to Santa, Lisa wanting a pony, and Bart a tattoo.
A
What?
Yeah, they're cool and they last the rest of your life.
You will not be getting a tattoo for Christmas.
Yeah, if you want one, you'll have to pay for it out of your own allowance.
All right.
Next, we get to see Ned Flanders and his son, or as what Homer calls him, Stupid Flanders, and I must say, Ned did a fantastic job decorating his house.
Oh, I have my secrets. Turn around. You can look now.
Ooh, big jar this year.
Who'd have thought Marge would hide a lot of stuff inside her hair? I gotta say, she's very secretive. Meanwhile, the nuclear plant where Homer works at, Mr. Montgomery Burns tells his employees that they won't be getting any Christmas bonuses. Also, Smithers wasn't featured, but his voice was heard.
Attention all personnel. Please keep working during the following announcement. And now, our boss and friend, Mr. Burns.
Do I hear a music clip that is used for the Ren and Stimpy show in 1991? Yes, I do. And then comes the sad part.
But Mom had to spend all the Christmas money having it surgically removed.
It's true! The jar is empty! Oh my god! We're ruined. Christmas is canceled. No presents for anyone!
Don't worry, Homer. We'll just have to stretch your Christmas bonus even further this year.
Ah!
Homer?
Oh, yeah, my Christmas bonus. How silly of me. This'll be the best Christmas yet. The best any family ever had.
Yeah, sooner or later you're gonna have to confess, Homer.
Ooh, look! Pantyhose. Practical and alluring. A six-pack. Oh, only $4.99. Ooh, that's a paper. I bet Bart can think of a million things to do with these. That just leaves little Maggie. Oh, look, a little squeak toy. It says it's for dogs, but she can't read.
Man, I gotta tell you, Homer really sucks at Christmas shopping. I mean, why would he give Bart a stack of papers? How is he gonna think of a million ideas? I don't think he wouldn't. And why would he give Maggie a chew toy? She's not a dog. Excuse me for a sec, folks. Yes? Homer, look, I can explain, I can... As for the animation, it looks like total crap. Even Some Enchanted Evening had craptastic animation. Reminds me of crappy animation from Dragon Ball Super. And I've always wondered what the animation for The Simpsons would look like done by a studio in Japan. I'm thinking Toei. Then you got Moe Szyslak, who has black hair and a pink apron. Plus his tavern looks different in the early seasons.
So it's Christmas.
Thanks, Mo. Drinks all around! Watch for the crazy get-up, Barn.
Oh, and Barney Gumble makes his debut and has yellow hair.
At the mall. Wow. Can I do that? Well, I don't know. They're pretty selective.
Let's not forget Marge's sisters, Patty and Selma.
How was your trip?
Fine.
You both look well.
I hate those two. and Bart's friends Milhouse and Lewis.
Yeah, well, I dare you to yank his beard off.
Ah, touche. Hey, Santa, what's shaking, man?
What's your name, partner? Little partner?
Well, I'm Bart Simpson. Who the hell are you?
I used to remember him saying that, but I never said it when I was a kid. Well, when I was 13. Next, Homer gets his check for...
For $13.
which won't be enough to get your family Christmas gifts, though it will be enough for a dog track.
Oh, come on, Dad. This can be the miracle that saves the Simpsons Christmas. If TV has taught me anything, it's that miracles always happen to poor kids at Christmas. It happened to Tiny Tim, it happened to Charlie Brown, it happened to the Smurfs, and it's gonna happen to us.
Such a memorable quote.
County under all this snow.
I doubt it, Bubbles. We'll be sad little elves this Christmas.
Oh, no!
Oh, brother.
Ah yes, the happy little elves, how well I've remembered, including Abe Simpson. At the dog track, Homer and Bart are hoping that they will win, and did they?
Come on, Santa's little helper.
Go!
And with a lock on last place hits, Santa's little helper.
Doesn't seem possible, but I guess TV has betrayed me.
Nope, but they did get a dog for Christmas named Santa's Little Helper. You'll notice that his real owner will return in the later seasons where Santa's Little Helper becomes a mascot for Duff. In the end, the Simpsons got their Christmas gift, the best one they ever had thanks to our beloved homie, and you gotta love that ending.
Santa's little helper.
To quote Helsing 920, can I recommend Simpsons roasting on an open fire? Oh, definitely yes. This is one of the best Christmas episodes. It's perfect to watch it during Christmas. It's way better than... Miracle on Evergreen Terrace. Yeah, I feel your pain, Homer. Simpsons roasting on an open fire is the only one to be written by Mimi Pond and directed by David Silverman, who designed Mr. Flanders. Originally, this show was going to be aired in the fall of 1989, and this episode was going to be the 8th. Instead, they were like, you know what, this should be episode 1, while again, some enchanted evening, the actual first episode will be the season finale. Well, folks, this concludes my 3-part holiday special of cartoon and anime reviews. But before I go, I want to wish you all a Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and a Happy New Year. So, until next time, in the words of Rowdy C, this is Lord Bialco saying, stay rowdy, my friends.